Once upon a time, in a small town, there was a man named Gopi. Gopi was an ardent devotee of Lord Shiva. He used to spend at least 3 to 4 hours every day praying to Lord Shiva. Everybody in town believed that Gopi was the biggest devotee of Lord Shiva. But Gopi had some problems in his life. He didn't have a fixed job and neither was he inclined to get one. So on many days, he did not have any money in his pocket and there were nights when he stayed hungry. One day, Lord Shiva and Parvati were sitting together and Parvati told Lord Shiva, I can't really believe that Gopi is such a big devotee of yours and you're not even helping him in any way. Lord Shiva said, Dear Parvati, I really can't do much to help him because he is not putting any effort. Parvati said, I disagree with you. If you wish, being the Lord, you can always give him some good luck. And Shiva said, My dear, there is nothing called as good luck. When hard work meets opportunity, people on this planet call it as good luck. Parvati said, I don't believe you. If you wish, you can really help him some way or the other. So Shiva finally gave in. You see, ultimately he was an husband. So it doesn't matter if you're the Lord or a human being. You just can't win an argument with your wife. So Lord Shiva told Parvati, okay, what I'll do is tomorrow morning when he finishes his prayers and comes out, I will place a pot of gold right in front of the temple. He can just take the gold and do whatever he wants. Parvati was very happy. She thanked him and said, let's see what happens tomorrow morning. Next day morning, Gopi arrived at the temple at 4 am as usual. He finished his prayers for about 3 hours and then he stepped outside the temple. Shiva and Parvati were both watching him. As promised, Lord Shiva kept a pot of gold right at the bottom of the steps so that when Gopi comes down, he can take the gold and go home. Gopi did come out and as he was descending the step, he saw a blind man right across the street trying to cross the road with a walking stick. He stood there and he was really shocked. He started wondering, how would the life of a blind man be? When he can't see anything, how is he surviving on a daily basis? He said, this is something I need to experience. So he took out a handkerchief from his pocket and he blindfolded himself. And he decided that today I am going to walk right up to my house to experience the life of a blind man. And slowly, gradually, he descended the steps one by one with a blindfold on his eyes and he passed the pot of gold. Lord Shiva told Parvati, look, this is what I was trying to tell you. If you don't put in hard work, even if there is an opportunity, you will miss it. So, for all those who keep saying that I am trying to do this, I am trying to do that, I want you to imagine something. Imagine this book right in front of you. And I am going to request you to please try and pick up this book. Remember, don't pick up the book. Please try to pick up the book. Confused, right? What you will understand from this is, there's nothing called as trying. Either you pick it up or you don't pick it up. Trying is always an excuse to procrastinate something which you don't want to do right now. Because if you decide to do it, then you just do it. Now, we all know that Usain Bolt is the fastest man on this planet. But it is worth seeing the hard work which he puts behind every race.
Dying. I think a lot of people they see you run and they say, oh, it looks so easy, you really look effortless. But before it gets to that point, it's hard. It's like hard work. Day in, day out, sacrifice. Day in, day out. Just dying. This time when you run and you just want to stop, you just want to give up, like, to hell with this, I just want to go home. This day when you get up and you know what, you have a training today. You know it's going to be intense and you're like, oh God, I don't want to go today, but you got to go.
Remember, my friends, hard work puts you where the good luck can find you. Good luck is when hard work meets opportunity. Opportunity is 1% and the hard work is 99%. But the 1% only comes when the 99% is done. And friends, if you don't mind doing a little bit of hard work, please go down to the comment box and let me know what you think about this video. Also, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.